Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your go-to source for the latest and greatest in top-selling products. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we dive into an exciting countdown of the best-selling beads and bead assortments available on Amazon. If you're passionate about crafting, jewelry making, or simply love the endless possibilities that beads offer, you're in for a treat. Today, we'll explore the top products that are flying off the virtual shelves and capturing the hearts of buyers everywhere. Without further ado, let's jump right into our countdown and discover which bead assortments are setting trends and making waves in the crafting world. Let's dive into our countdown to number 10, an absolute gem for anyone with a passion for creativity and crafting. Introducing the QEF 3250 PCS Pony Bead Set, a treasure trove for all your jewelry making adventures. Imagine opening up this kit and discovering an assortment of 3,250 beads, including a dazzling 2,400 rainbow pony beads in an astonishing 96 colors and 7 unique styles. From solid colors to glittery, pearlescent, and metallic shades, this set offers endless possibilities for your creations. But that's not all. This set also includes 800 letter and heart beads. With 400 colorful and black flat round letter beads, 300 square letter beads, and 100 charming heart and star beads, you have everything you need to personalize and embellish your projects. Each bead is crafted from premium acrylic, ensuring a smooth, sturdy finish that's perfect for making everything from trendy bracelets and earrings to eye-catching phone charms and party decorations. Plus, with the included 20 meters of elastic thread, your creativity knows no bounds. Remember, because this kit contains small parts, it's best to use under adult supervision to keep little hands safe. For any questions or concerns, their 24-hour service team is always ready to help. So whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, the QEF 3250 PCS Pony Bead Set is your ultimate companion for sparking creativity and making every project shine. Taking the spotlight at number 9 in our countdown is a truly magical craft essential, the 1000 PCS UV Pony Beads Bracelet Set. Get ready to be amazed by these 9mm solar magic beads that transform your crafting experience with a splash of color-changing wonder. Picture this: beads that shimmer and shift in the sunlight, revealing vibrant hues and stunning transformations. These UV-sensitive beads only show their true colors when exposed to ultraviolet light. Out of the sun, they return to their original shade, making each sunny moment a new opportunity for creativity. Remember, the stronger the UV light, the more dazzling the color change. Each package brings you a generous 1,000-piece collection of rainbow-colored large-hole opaque matte pony beads. Measuring 6 by 9 mm with a 4 mm hole diameter, these beads are crafted from high-quality acrylic plastic, smooth, sturdy, and waterproof. They're built to last, with vibrant colors that resist fading and maintain their shine. Perfect for crafters of all ages, these beads invite endless possibilities. Whether you're stringing them into eye-catching necklaces and bracelets, creating unique keychains, or decorating paper and wood, your imagination is the only limit. Ideal for inspiring creativity in kids, teaching color sorting, and even engaging in bead weaving or hair braiding. So if you're ready to add a touch of enchantment to your next project, these UV pony beads are your ticket to a world of colorful, ever-changing fun. Dive in and let the magic begin. Sliding into the spotlight at number 8 in our countdown is a crafting must-have that sparkles with elegance and versatility. The 100 PCS 10mm Rhinestone Bead Set. These dazzling white beads are perfect for adding a touch of glamour to any DIY project. Imagine the sparkle of 100 shimmering rhinestone beads, each encased in a white polymer clay base and adorned with high-quality glass rhinestones. With a diameter of 10 mm and a hole size of 1.8 mm, these beads are the ideal size for creating eye-catching jewelry and crafts. Their design allows them to pair effortlessly with various stringing materials, from crystal elastic string to memory steel loops, and they can be combined with other beads to craft stunning one-of-a-kind pieces. But what truly sets these beads apart is their bling effect. The rhinestones cover the entire surface, reflecting light and creating a radiant, diamond-like shine. Whether you're making bracelets, necklaces, or earrings, these beads will ensure your creations are the center of attention, glimmering with every movement. Each set comes neatly packaged in a beautiful gift box, perfect for gifting or as a treat for yourself. These rhinestone beads are an excellent choice for holiday presents, crafting parties, or simply indulging in a bit of creative fun. They make a fantastic gift for loved ones on special occasions like Christmas, Valentine's Day, or Mother's Day, and they're ideal for bonding activities, whether you're with friends or family. So elevate your DIY projects with the undeniable charm of these rhinestone beads. Their shine and versatility will transform your crafts into dazzling masterpieces that truly stand out. At number 7 in our countdown, we're unveiling a crafting essential that combines functionality and style. The 150 PCS 15mm silicone bead set. These versatile beads are perfect for bringing your DIY projects to life. Contained in a spacious plastic container, you'll find 150 round silicone beads, each measuring a generous 15 mm in diameter. With a hole size of 2 mm, these beads are the perfect size for integrating into a variety of designs. Imagine pairing them with acrylic beads, letter beads, or even wooden accents. Their size and shape make them incredibly adaptable for everything from keychains and pens to bracelets and necklaces. What's more, the included plastic container doesn't just keep your beads organized. It's also ideal for storing different types of beads you might collect. No more rummaging through cluttered drawers. Everything stays in one convenient place. These 15 mm silicone beads aren't just about practicality, they're about endless creativity. Use them to craft stylish keychains, customize pens, or design unique holiday decorations. Their soft, flexible nature ensures they're easy to work with, making DIY projects a breeze. Perfect as a thoughtful gift, this set is an excellent choice for anyone who loves crafting. Whether it's for a birthday, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, or just a creative surprise, these beads are a cheerful and meaningful choice. Rest assured, our silicone beads are crafted from high-quality silicone, designed to resist wear and fading. They won't rust or crack, and they're easy to clean. Just a rinse with water will do. If you ever have any issues, our dedicated support team is here to ensure your complete satisfaction. So dive into a world of creativity with the 150 PCS 15mm silicone bead set, where your imagination is the only limit. At number 6 in our countdown, we present a must-have for every DIY enthusiast, the 1000 PCS acrylic black pony bead set. These beads are not just accessories, they're the building blocks for your most creative projects. This set delivers a whopping 1000 sleek black acrylic beads, each measuring 6 by 9 mm with a 4 mm hole size. Crafted from high-quality acrylic plastic, these beads boast a durable and consistent finish. They're designed to resist fading and maintain their lustrous appearance, making them perfect for all your jewelry-making needs. Their barrel shape and uniform size make threading a breeze, and their lightweight ensures comfort in all your creations. Whether you're crafting friendship bracelets, necklaces, earrings, or even customizing hair braids, these beads offer endless possibilities. But the utility of these beads extends far beyond jewelry. Ideal for arts and crafts projects, they are a fantastic tool for learning activities. In classrooms, camps, or community centers, these beads can be used for color sorting, counting, and even weighing exercises, helping to foster creativity and hands-on skills. Gift these beads to a loved one, or use them yourself to create one-of-a-kind pieces. Mix and match with other colors and materials to design unique accessories that truly reflect your style. From fun friendship bracelets to intricate candy designs, the only limit is your imagination. Dive into a world of creativity with the 1000 PCS acrylic black pony bead set, where your crafting dreams come to life. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling beads and bead assortments on Amazon? Well, don't beat around the bush. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you'll never miss a bead on the latest crafting kits and supplies. At number 5 in our countdown, we unveil the QEF 3960 PCS Pony Beads Kit, a true treasure trove for any crafting aficionado. This expansive set brings together a rainbow of possibilities for all your DIY needs. Imagine diving into a vibrant collection of 2,400 rainbow beads, available in 48 striking colors. From pure and pearl to transparent, flash, and AB hues, each color offers a unique flair. With 50 beads per color and 5 distinct styles to choose from, this set is perfect for crafting anything from whimsical designs to sophisticated pieces. Quality is at the heart of this set. Each bead is made from premium acrylic, ensuring a smooth, shiny finish that's as durable as it is beautiful. The pony beads, measuring 6 by 9 mm with a 4 mm hole diameter, are complemented by letter beads in 2 sizes, oblate and square, making it easy to create personalized jewelry and crafts. Whether you're designing vibrant friendship bracelets, eye-catching necklaces, or even playful animal figures, these beads are your go-to for endless creativity. The inclusion of letter beads allows you to add a personal touch, making each creation truly unique. Convenience meets organization with this kit. It comes with 3 separate plastic boxes, each keeping different colors and types of beads neatly sorted. These sturdy boxes are not only practical for storage but also perfect for taking your crafting supplies on the go. Elevate your crafting experience with the QEF 3960 PCS Pony Beads Kit, where color, quality, and creativity come together in perfect harmony. At number 4 on our countdown, we're excited to introduce the 1000 PCS Polymer Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit, a vibrant celebration of creativity and fun. Dive into a world of color and imagination with this all-inclusive kit. Inside, you'll find a treasure trove of 1,000 pieces, each showcasing 24 distinct styles. From playful fruit and flower designs to whimsical animals, butterflies, and hearts, this set is brimming with charm. Plus, enjoy beads inspired by the latest fashion trends, including superheroes, Christmas, Halloween, and even ocean and unicorn themes. The kit features a range of sizes and shapes to fit any crafting need. The pony beads, measuring 9 mm in diameter and 6 mm in height with a 4 mm hole, offer a classic touch. Meanwhile, polymer clay beads at about 6 mm long with a 2 mm hole add a textured, artistic flair. The letter beads come in a versatile 6x6x3 mm size, perfect for personalization. All these beads are neatly organized in a 24-grid plastic box, ensuring easy access and storage. Crafted from premium, durable materials, these beads are not only stylish but also practical. They're lightweight, waterproof, and resistant to fading, so you can wear your creations confidently, whether you're swimming or showering. This kit is perfect for a myriad of projects. Think beaded jewelry, keychains, phone charms, hairpins, and even party decorations. Let your creativity soar as you create unique accessories for yourself or as gifts for loved ones. Speaking of gifts, this kit makes an exceptional present. Ideal for friends who love crafting, it's a wonderful way to enhance hand-eye coordination, creativity, and concentration. Perfect for Christmas, birthdays, or Thanksgiving, your friends will be thrilled to unwrap this delightful creative set. Elevate your crafting game with the 1000 PCS Polymer Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit, where every bead is a step towards endless creativity and fun. At number 3 on our countdown, we present the ARTDOT 1400 PCS Letter Beads Kit, a vibrant collection designed to spark creativity and joy in every project. Imagine crafting friendship bracelets that not only capture your unique style but also showcase personal messages or favorite song lyrics. This set allows you to do just that with ease. Whether you're celebrating fandoms or sharing a special bond with friends, these letter beads are perfect for creating custom pieces that resonate. The ARTDOT kit stands out with its alphabetically sorted beads, streamlining your crafting experience. No more digging through piles of mixed beads. Each letter is neatly organized so you can find exactly what you need quickly and easily. This thoughtful design ensures a smoother, more enjoyable crafting process, keeping your creative flow uninterrupted. But this set isn't just about convenience. It's also about personalization. Transform these beads into meaningful gifts. Whether you use them to create custom jewelry or gift the set as is, it's a wonderful way for girls to wear their names, messages, or favorite lyrics with pride. It's a thoughtful and fun gift idea for ages 6 to 12, offering a personal touch that can be worn and cherished. With over 1,400 pieces, including 26 alphabet beads, heart beads, and smiley face beads, the possibilities are endless. Mix and match with clay beads, glass beads, or pony beads to create truly unique designs. The variety ensures that your creativity isn't limited, and the results will be as unique as you are. Plus, this set offers incredible value. Budget-friendly yet high in quality, it provides more quantity and styles compared to many offline options. With enough beads to make over 50 bracelets, you can explore countless designs without breaking the bank. So unleash your creativity and make memorable, personalized pieces with the ARTDOT 1400 PCS Letter Beads Kit, where every bead is a building block for your next masterpiece. At number 2, we present the Redtwo 5100 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit, your ultimate gateway to a world of creativity and fun. This expansive kit is the epitome of versatility, packed with about 4,600 flat polymer clay beads and 500 charms, including letter beads, number beads, and charming spacer beads. But that's not all. Along with these colorful treasures, you'll find everything you need to get started: stretchy strings, scissors, and even plastic tweezers. It's a complete toolkit designed to meet all your bracelet and jewelry making needs. Crafted from premium polymer clay, these beads are not just vibrant, they're made to last. With a diameter of 6 mm and a thickness of 1 mm, they're durable, eco-friendly, and safe for everyday wear. These beads are waterproof and skin-friendly, ensuring that they won't fade quickly, making them perfect for long-lasting creations. Designed with kids in mind, this kit is suitable for ages 6 and up, giving parents and children a wonderful way to bond while diving into creative projects. The Redtwo kit is more than just a craft set. It's an opportunity to learn and create together. Imagine designing personalized bracelets, necklaces, earrings, and more, all while honing fine motor skills and sparking imagination. It's a fantastic way to keep kids engaged and away from screens, turning idle time into productive and joyful moments. And let's not forget the gift potential. This kit is a delightful choice for birthdays, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, or Thanksgiving. It's a meaningful present that encourages creativity and self-expression, perfect for anyone who loves to make personalized jewelry. Plus, you can craft unique pieces to gift to friends and family, spreading joy and showcasing your handmade creations. At Redtwo, your satisfaction is our top priority. If you encounter any issues with our beads, reach out to us and we promise a swift and satisfactory resolution. So why wait? Dive into the world of creativity with the Redtwo 5100 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit, where every bead tells a story and every creation is a masterpiece in the making. In the top spot, we have the Gionlion 6000 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit, a treasure trove for every jewelry making enthusiast, and a fantastic find for creative minds. This comprehensive kit is your ultimate crafting companion, featuring an impressive 5,520 flat polymer clay beads in 24 vibrant colors and 550 assorted charms, including letter beads, smiley faces, colorful hearts, shells, pendants, jump rings, and lobster clasps. Along with 2 rolls of 5-meter elastic strings and a pair of scissors, this set ensures you have everything you need to create stunning, personalized jewelry pieces. Immerse yourself in a spectrum of vibrant colors. The 24 brilliant shades of polymer clay beads invite endless creativity, allowing you to mix and match to your heart's content. Whether you're crafting a charm bracelet, a striking necklace, or dazzling earrings, the possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. Here, creativity trumps skill. Every bead is a canvas for your artistic vision. Crafted from high-quality polymer clay, these beads are non-toxic, durable, and crafted to last. With a diameter of 6 mm and a 2 mm hole, they're lightweight, comfortable to wear, and perfect for any DIY project. Their resistance to fading and waterproof nature make them ideal for crafting jewelry that can be worn anywhere, from beachside to poolside. The versatility of these beads is unmatched. They're perfect for making a variety of DIY crafts, including bracelets, necklaces, earrings, anklets, and keychains. And if you're searching for the perfect gift, look no further. This kit makes a delightful present for daughters, granddaughters, sisters, and best friends. Ideal for birthdays, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, or Thanksgiving, it's a gift that inspires creativity and joy. For teen girls, this kit is not just a crafting tool, it's a gateway to self-expression and a means to share their creations with friends. It's an engaging way to enhance their craft skills and enjoy the satisfaction of making something beautiful. At Gionlion, we are committed to quality. We ensure that each bead meets our high standards, and if you encounter any issues, our customer service is ready to provide a replacement or refund. We appreciate every crafting enthusiast who joins us on this creative journey. So grab the Gionlion 6000 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit and let your creativity soar. Create, design, and enjoy the art of jewelry making like never before. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling beads and bead assortments on Amazon. To keep up with the latest top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the best-selling items we covered today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon.